Hey guys, Redneck Gamer 23 here, back with another Farming Simulator 14 episode. This is actually part 2 of the hay. Well, no, not the hay. Not part 2, I did that yesterday. Anyway, I don't know what you're doing today. But all I know is that we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna put some there on that. Alright. Now, I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just goofing off, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. So, what I'm going to be doing is more hay, I guess. Yeah. Wait, so I gotta do hay on this one here, guys. Where's my baler? I had my baler. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Let me take control of this thing. They're running too slow. This is what I don't get about this. Everything has to run slow, freaking slow. Wait. Sounded weird. So freaking slow. Anyway. So yeah. And this is only gonna be a 10-minute long video, guys. So it's not gonna be very long. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna talk about the next update on Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.12.0, since it has been delayed until sometime in August. What I know is, if they're gonna do it on the 29th, guys, then there wouldn't be no enchanting or music or anything else like that. Okay, so that's really all there is to it, guys. But if you want enchanting, the nether, and music stuff, and everything else like that, then you have to wait till August. Okay? So don't get all mad at me and everything else, okay? Because I'm not making this up. You can go to the Minecraft Pocket Edition's website and I'll tell you. And guys, like I said in a couple videos ago, if you have a bad comment about me, keep it in your head and don't email me about it, because I do not want to hear it, okay? Really all there is to it, guys. If you have a bad comment in your head, don't email it to me. Because I had this one guy email this to me. Your video quality sucks. If you're a new YouTuber, that's bullshit. And you're the suckiest and the most cheaters person in the world. That's almost the exact words he said. Honestly, guys, that really does piss me off, because I'm a new YouTuber. And I'm not really used to this YouTube stuff. So, just, if you have a bad comment, keep it to yourself and don't email me, please. Anyway, we're gonna finish up mowing here so we can make more grass bales. Let's get this guy over here. Guys, I wish I could just take that fence out right there, because it ruins the... I sit there and ruin my tractor every time I'll hit that. And if you guys want to see some... let's make sure the speeding. No. Why is this not baling? Why won't this bail? Stupid. You used to be without me having to tether it, guys. Oh, I guess I can find my tether now. But I have to pick up all these bills. So guys, if you want to see me play some Farm Simulator 15, put that down in the comments below. I will save up to get a PC and save up so I can get the Farm Simulator. Man, these videos just fly by like it's nothing. I'm sorry if there's no background music in this, guys. My Pandora account isn't working right now. I don't know why. It's being really, really stupid, but you know it's Pandora, so I'm gonna get this guy pushed over here. Almost got a full load here, guys. No, are you serious? I wish if this game had a controller support, guys, because if it had a controller support on it, I wish my tablet had a controller support, but if this game had a controller support on it, guys, I wish they can actually add tractors with forks and better views and stuff in this, but they added different stuff in here. If you guys know what Farming Simulator, if you guys know what Farming USA is, the game, and you know how the tractors and stuff are with the, or not the tractors, the combines on making the, what's it called? Not the header, it's the, oh my god, I forgot what it's called. Anyway, you make that thing move so you can hook up the header and put it up and everything else, and then you can make the auger wagon, the little pipe on it, move out. And you can unfold everything and everything else like that. So if they actually made Farming Simulator 15 like this, or not 15, 14 like that one, so we can do all that, and it had first person views and everything else, guys, I think this game would be a whole lot better. My cheddar over here somewhere? No, unfortunately it's not. Where is my cheddar? I need my cheddar. My cheddar, my cheddar, my cheddar. Where is my cheddar? No, guys, I have so many things on here. I can't even find one little thing. So I can after this. Alright guys, sadly this is the end of this video. I'm going to finish this up. And make sure you like and subscribe to these videos if you want more videos like this. Put down in the comments below what you guys think I should do on here. If I should do a mod show. I'm actually wondering, guys, if you want me to do a mod showcase on Minecraft Pocket Edition mods. If you guys want to see some of those, put that down in the comments below. And yeah, so remember, I'm Redneck Gamer 23 here, and peace, guys. Make sure you subscribe; that will really help me out a lot. Peace, guys.